Yo, what's up guys? It's Friday, February 9th, and we got some snow. About 6 inches, but it's going to progressively get a little bit more as the day progresses. And my WRX is over here, which I'm walking to, all covered in snow. I got my wiper blades up so they didn't affect when I clean off my windshield. So yeah, definitely expect a snow video soon. Probably later today after I get my car cleaned off. I'm gonna go for a drive and look for a place to do some fun driving. So just a quick little update. Maybe I'll do a quick cold start. The thing is, I haven't even cleaned off my car yet. But let me see if I could get this open real quick and get her started. But yeah, the snow's pretty deep. Very deep, actually. It's to the wheel wells, or to the side panels. But yeah, definitely got a pretty good amount of snow. Well, we're getting more later as it gets on up until Saturday. So anyways, I just want to make a quick video to show you what it looks like outside. And I'm going to get my car cleaned off, and then later I'll try to do some videos on the road. So see you guys around. Thank you for watching, and be careful out there. Oh, and also the schools are closed today, so that's why I'm not doing school bus driving. All the schools are closed, so see you guys soon. What's going on, guys? It's Friday, February 9th, and we did get some snow, about 6 inches, and progressively it's going to be more. And there was a snow day for school today, so I had the day off. It's Friday, and I figured why not do a driving video. So the roads, looks like this road is partially plowed, so like on the side I'm on, there's a little bit heavy snow. Not too bad, but I'm not going to do any major pulls because obviously the conditions won't allow that, but I'll try to have a little bit of fun here and there. So car's doing awesome as always, running the MAP Performance Stage 190 track tune. Running it now for the past 21,000 miles in 2 years, and then hopefully soon enough I'll probably go stage 2 and then go on from there. Make more videos about stage 2, which will be even more exciting and more awesome when you're doing those pulls for more power. So yeah, I do have the first level of traction on, so I'm gonna be careful, but still kind of have a little bit of fun if I can. So bear with me. Access port is hooked up with flat foot shifting, as always. I don't think I'm going to be using that feature, but I will at least have a little bit of fun. Yeah, roads are pretty good. So it's going to continue to snow up until Saturday, and I think by Saturday their thing will be about up to like 10 inches, which really isn't that bad because we've had winters where it's like 18 inches or more, so I don't think it's too bad. But I don't mind having the day off, and the schools are closed, so I'm not gonna lie. So right now I'm gonna do a little grocery shopping and then come back and make some food. So that's what my plans are. And now to think about it, I'm just gonna put the first level of traction back on because these roads are pretty bad and I don't want to risk it. But if I have an empty parking lot or something where I can do stuff, I will make a video. And then turn off the traction. I am running the Nokian R2 Hot Completa winter tires. And they've been awesome. Like, literally, like, when you get to stoplights, I'll be like the first one out. I'm not like flooring or anything, but there's just so much traction. There's so much great winter driving ability with these tires. Phenomenal. Running them for the past, let's say, 3 or 4 years. Very happy. Great winter tire. So far, just cruising along 3rd gear, 31 59, and lately when I've been doing the school bus driving, Route 59 has been really bad, so I'm going to see if they improved it at all. But I kind of actually want it to be bad so I can have a little something inside in it. It sounds crazy, but just a little bit. This guy, he's an accurate tail, he's just spinning the whole way. Alright, so let's see, what lane should I choose? I actually am choosing the lane that has less plowing. I'm taking the more dangerous route. Yeah, me and this truck on this side here were really close. Yeah, definitely good traction this time. I just gotta be careful in these intersections for people who can't brake in time or they're turning and they can run into us. Just gotta be a little careful. There's another WRX. Just like mine. Turning on the 75th Street from Route 59. For those of you who also live in Illinois, closer to me. And then I'm going to head to Walmart first, and then once I get there, I'll cut the camera, and then I'll be back on. So I'm going back. Wow. Yeah, this road they're slipping. With the spalling control on, so goes to show you that even with it on, you can still get out of control. It's actually kind of fun. Alright, so I'm going to cut the video here, and then on the way back I'll film going back. So. What's good, guys? I'm back. Leaving Walmart now, heading over to the next store, which is Target. So it is snowing pretty good. Let's see how the roads are going to be. So yeah, the storm is kind of in effect until Saturday, I guess. So just going to keep snowing and snowing and snowing. I'm going to keep driving and driving and driving. No days off. But it is nice to have a day off from driving, so even though I don't get paid for it. But hey, everyone deserves a nice day off on a Friday. It's a nice time to have off. Let's see. Which way is this out of here? This guy is not even looking what he's doing, is he? Just kind of like in the middle of the road, but I would like to get around this truck, but I'm not sure which lane he's actually in. Like in 2 lanes. Safest place to be is in the center, though, because when you do after this, I'm just gonna head back, man. This is too crazy. Got a limo next to me, so you could be tail whipping too if they drew over there. Here comes a van, freaking doing Tokyo Drift. So yeah, guys, if you're out there driving, be careful, man. Wow, that was rough. So I'm gonna park the car and call it quits. I think I'm gonna get what I need and then head back and then stay home. You guys do the same if you guys are having bad weather. This weather is pretty crazy. I know it's not like terrible, but not good to be driving. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. And as always, you got a question or comment before we